Ew, meow, meow. So I'm doing these two cute little tiny baby kittens, and let's just call them rescued community kittens because I certainly don't advocate breeding of any kind. There's already enough cats that need homes. So I've sped it up, it's double speed, and I'm just mapping out the kitties' faces, heads, and faces. And actually, I don't think I've ever drawn kittens this young, so you get to watch me learn too. Those ears certainly have a different look on a kitten, don't they? Especially this young. We have a Facebook group. If you're really interested in drawing cats, you're welcome to join us. And you'll find the link for that group in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links too. I'm just feeling my way around here. It's all about angles and proportions. And if you really watch my hand, you'll kind of see me think my way through it. I'm lining up lines that are lined up in the photo, but I'm not becoming slave to the photo either. I'm making sure I give the drawing what it needs. Cute little smirk, smile. Not sure I like that mouth or the nose. I'm gonna actually just watch as I kind of flub up this face a little. And it's not horrible, but you'll see me fix it later on. I just feel like the features are a little bit too big for a kitten this size. And we'll feel out where those eyes go. Put some eye lines in to place the eyes. Yeah, that's too low. I'm going to move up a bit. I think these kittens basically just open their eyes. Strengthen up those lines that I like now. And the extra lines will just become background tone. Give the drawing energy and life. And this is just a quick gesture drawing. You can take a drawing like this in all kinds of different directions. It's learning, especially for me right now, because like I said, I doubt that I've ever drawn kittens this young. I don't remember. I love to hear from you. Please drop me a comment. Let me know what you really want to learn about drawing cats, or even just tell me your cat's name or what country you live in. I love to hear from you. Or if you have any questions, of course. And please do subscribe to the channel. Subscribers are what makes this channel tick, or meow maybe. And you might even think you're subscribed and you're not subscribed. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and help us build our community. Now I'm fixing up these features. They need to be more tiny. I like that way better. I've sped it up faster now. It's going 4 times the speed now. And we'll finish up this drawing. Yeah, didn't like those eyes on that one as much either. I like that better, because you can barely see that eye. It's barely open. I can't remember what age kittens open their eyes at, but I think it's like about a week. I'd love to hear from you if you know. Some whiskers. Even at that age, they got their delightful little whiskers. And we've got a lot of empty open space here, so I'm just going to add a bit of tone to just kind of help with that. You know, some expression lines. Yeah, I'm not sure I like that or not. But that's the thing, it's all about learning. And if you don't push yourself to try something new, you'll never move out of your comfort zone and you'll never learn anything new. So don't be afraid to muck up a drawing a little, because the learning you get is phenomenal. I mean, I certainly wouldn't muck it up on purpose, but don't be afraid that if you try something, you might muck it up. It's just a sketch, just a gesture sketch. There's lots more where that came from. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out our Facebook group, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.